Final ride on the Westinghouse elevator.
We're going to come right back down. Then we can go back up again.
Let's go up to UL. Let's go to UL. Up, see the fan structure. Cup holder. Close. Here we go. Still runs as smooth as it was. The phone buttons, phone's locked, and fans. There goes the doorbell. Let's go back down to LL. There we go. I'm truly going to miss this elevator. Got your Westinghouse AE fixtures. Got Westinghouse AE fixtures. AE fixtures. Bit of a big bump. 2,500 pounds. Up, going up.
Thanks, buddy. Thank you.
You're welcome. Let's watch it close up for the last time. Trying not to get my picture. There it goes in. That's it.